In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add digital products to Shopify. By the end, you'll have a downloadable item like an ebook, preset, or PDF set up so customers can purchase and receive it instantly without any shipping. First, open your browser and go to the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type digital downloads. This is Shopify's free app that adds a simple way to attach files to products and automatically deliver them after checkout. When you see it, select Add App, then choose Install. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in to your Shopify admin to complete the install. Just confirm any prompts so the app can connect to your store. Now that the app is installed, head into your Shopify admin and go to Products. Click Add Product to create a new listing. Start by entering a clear descriptive title and a helpful description. Explain what the customer gets, the file format and size, and any usage notes or license details. Add a price that reflects the value of the digital content. If you offer ongoing updates, mention that in the description to set expectations. Next, scroll down to the shipping section. Uncheck the box that says this is a physical product. This tells Shopify there's nothing to ship, so customers won't see shipping rates at checkout and you won't be asked for weights or addresses for this item. Once that's done, scroll to the digital download section that now appears because you installed the app. Click Add File and upload your digital file. Common formats like PDF, zip, MP3, and MP4 work well. If your product includes multiple files, consider compressing them into a single zip to keep things tidy. Use clear file names so customers know exactly what they've downloaded. Larger files may take a moment to upload. Wait until the upload finishes before moving on. When your file is attached, click Save. Saving creates or updates the product and links your file to it. From here, the Digital Downloads app will automatically send customers a secure download link after they complete their purchase, and the link will also appear on the order status page. If you need more control, you can adjust settings inside the app later, such as download limits, or whether fulfillment happens automatically. That's it, your digital product is live and ready to sell. Take a moment to review the product page to ensure the title, description, and price are accurate, and that the shipping box remains unchecked. With those pieces in place, your customers can buy and instantly receive your digital content with no shipping hassles.